11.6 billion US dollars in the first quarter of last year to 13.6 billion US dollars in the first quarter of the current financial year. Foreign portfolio investment, after remaining in exit mode during the first quarter, that is Q1 22-23, turned positive in July this year, that is July 2022. Along with several other measures undertaken in July, the Reserve Bank has also used its foreign exchange reserves accumulated over the years to curb volatility in the exchange rate. Despite the resultant drawdown from our reserves, India's foreign exchange reserves remain the fourth largest globally. I shall now announce certain additional measures, the details of which are set out in the statement on development and regulatory policies, which form the part B of the MPC statement, which will be uploaded in the website immediately after my statement is over. The additional measures are as follows. The first set of measures relate to regulatory measures, and that relates to standalone primary dealers, or SPDs. Standalone primary dealers, that is SPDs, have played an important role in the development of financial markets in India. Considering their potential in further facilitating financial market development, the following two measures are being announced for the standalone primary dealers. It is proposed to enable the standalone primary dealers to offer all foreign exchange market making facilities as currently permitted to Category 1 authorized dealers, subject to prudential guidelines. This measure will provide customers with a wide set of market makers to manage their foreign currency risk. This will also increase the breadth of the forex market in India. The second measure in respect of the standalone primary dealers is that we have decided to permit standalone primary dealers to undertake transactions in offshore rupee overnight indexed swap market, that is rupee OIS market, with non-residents and other market makers. This measure will supplement a similar measure announced in February this year for the banks. These measures, that is the measure being announced today and what we have already announced for the banks, are expected to remove the segmentation between onshore and offshore markets. That is, I am referring to the OIS markets, and it will definitely, we do expect that it will improve price discovery. The second measure relates to managing risks and prescribing a code of conduct in outsourcing of financial services. The Reserve Bank has from time to time issued guidelines on managing risks in outsourcing of certain activities by the regulated entities. In view of the increasing trend of outsourcing, the framework